How to lose weight and gain muscle at home. Are you too busy to go to the gym? Do you dread going to these places because there are too many people and most gyms are often overcrowded, that all you want to do is walk out the door and head home? Good thing you can indeed lose weight and gain muscle at the privacy of your home. In this video, we will share with you some effective workout routines and diet plans that can help you lose weight and achieve the body that you've always wanted. 1. Warm-up. Before you start with the workout itself, don't forget to do some warm-up. Get your heart rate up and pumping, and make sure you get your muscles warmed up before doing the workout to avoid unexpected injuries. You can do your warm-up by jumping rope, running in place, taking several minutes on your stationary bike, throwing some kicks and punches, twisting your body, jogging up and down the stairs, or simply swinging your arms. In short, get moving. After about 5 minutes of warm-up, you can now start with the workout. Make sure that you didn't exhaust yourself completely. 2. The killer workout. Do the following exercises in this order. 20 bodyweight squats. You can put your hand on a support to maintain your balance. 10 push-ups. 20 walking lunges. 10 lunges for each leg. If you can't do this properly yet, you can use a support to keep your balance. It is also important to keep your upper body in a vertical position. 10 dumbbell rows. You can use a gallon of juice or milk or any other weight found in your household. It is recommended to use something that is challenging enough. 15-second plank. 30 jumping jacks. Once you've done the exercises, perform some basic stretches because your muscles have contracted from lifting and you need to stretch them out to get them in good condition. For best results, do this workout routine 3 times a week, but not on consecutive days because you build muscles when you're resting. So give your muscles some rest. 3. Proper nutrition. When you lose weight, it is very important that you gain muscle, otherwise you may end up with lots of loose skin. When your goal is to lose weight and build muscle, it is important that you maintain a healthy diet too. Avoid eating junk food and don't starve yourself either. Below are some nutrition tips to keep in mind. Avoid fast food. As much as possible, consume natural, home-cooked foods. Avoid highly processed foods and sugary drinks and food. Instead of eating white bread and rice, opt for complex carbohydrates. If you can, swap out grains with vegetables. Never leave protein out of your diet. Eat plenty of chicken, fish, meat, and protein-rich vegetables because they are responsible for rebuilding muscles. Aside from regular exercise and a balanced diet, it is also important to maintain a healthy lifestyle if you want to stay fit. Avoid vices such as drinking and smoking and engage in sports or other physical activities. In this way, you will not only look good, but also avoid diseases. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends. And please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.